Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Scuba Drive. My name is Steven. Today's Saturday morning. We're heading out to Lamborghini Charlotte off of 74. They're doing a little car show called Exotics and Espressos. I've never been to this one before. They've been doing it for a couple of months, but if you don't remember, I went to Lamborghini Charlotte in one of my first YouTube videos. I think it was my third video. I went there and checked it out, and I do frequent there every once in a while, checking out their new inventory. I don't know if you guys remember, exotics are one of my biggest passions on top of, JDM stuff, but I really love Lamborghinis, love exotic cars, so I can't see them out there. Hopefully we'll get some good flybys, some people leaving the car show, see some new cars out there. It's a brisk 38 degrees right now. Actually just went up to 40, so it's alright, it won't be too cold out there. Bad news is, my tire pressure light just turned on, but I'm pretty sure it's just because of the temperature change, but we'll check it out when we get there. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the show. Check out the massive wing on that Corvette. Wow. We are out here at Lamborghini Charlotte. Got a nice show. Some cool exotics out here. Some yellow Ferraris. Might be one of my favorite specs on a GT3 RS right there. Yeah, it's beautiful. All that carbon fiber. 488. This is the new Huracan Evo. Man, this thing is sweet. I've seen this car a few times. Really nice spec. Never noticed that. Let's get the V10 back there. What's the price on that? $321. Look at this SVJ.
I don't know how it's going.
Holy cow.
Actually, kind of like
It's gotta be the craziest spec SVJ I've seen yet. Wow, that's beautiful. It's got the SV. Some Venadors. It's another SVJ there. Wow. Look at that. Man, that's gorgeous. Something we don't see all the time. Diablo. Wow, that's cool. A whole line Huracan Evos. Just coming here to get some heat real quick. Get back out there. Love these cars. Holy cow. Rainbow leaving. Porsche. McLaren 720S tucked away over here. I think this might be probably the best supercar for the money. Probably the fastest one too. Really love these.
Purchase your tracks today.
That thing is sweet. GT2 RS heading out. Everybody's running to go check that out. Is he gonna get on it? All right, we're back at the Subaru. It's a pretty good show. It was an awesome show for the most part. A lot of exotic cars, not too much action, but you know, we got a few flybys, a few cars leaving. But I'm about to go hang out with my family. I'm gonna have some more videos coming pretty soon to you guys. Might be going to some night meets coming up pretty soon, and I got some stuff in the works as well. So can't wait to keep making some more videos for you guys. Like always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.